Honestly, I don't understand the way we're this excited. I feel like I'm scared for us.
I'm actually scared.
Like, we're not even in Bali,
honestly.
And we're this excited. It's actually scary.
Girl, what have we been saying we're going to do in the airport when they ask us for our passport?
We're going to combust. We're going to be like,
nothing less.
I'm like, girl, I've been waiting.
It's not a lie either.
I've been waiting for you to say those words for months.
Yeah. And now they're being said today.
Listen, this trip is going to be epic. This trip is going to be top tier. I just already feel it.
God.
Like, the fact that we're this happy and we're not even there.
We're in Cornwall right now. Like,
I already know. Bali, I've been wanting to go to Bali for years. Like,
me too.
Now we're going and we're going to be celebrating this girl. Yeah. Honestly, guys, I don't think you understand how much planning. How much planning has gone into this trip.
Child, honestly.
Listen, how
look, tell you.
We've been planning, we've been talking about it, we've been watching vlogs, we've been sending each other stuff, looking at hotels, TikTok. Oh my god.
Girl, honestly,
listen, when I say it's been a swamp of, at this point, yeah, I could tell you all about Bali and I haven't even been there yet. But today's the day and we are coming. No, I'm actually so gassed. Like, I don't think it's gonna hit me until we get to the airport.
Honestly, yeah, it doesn't even feel real yet. It just feels like Esther's come over.
Yeah, literally.
For a catch up. So,
but yeah, I can't wait.
We're gonna take you on the way.
So, stay tuned.
Exactly. Oh my god, Esther!
No, I need to get my camera out.
Well, I think we need to take a picture by that side.
Wait, hold on. Where?
I think we should take a picture by that side.
Where it says Welcome Terminal 4? Yeah, baby.
What do you think?
Terminal 4, baby. We've arrived.
We have arrived. Princesses are here.
No, I actually can't. Honestly, I don't have any energy. We're functioning on zero. Okay,
we're actually tired already.
Sleep, but
this is just adrenaline.
On low energy.
Girl.
Hey guys, so I'm with the most beautiful girl in the world. Just having a bit of food in the lounge. Butterfly. Guys, we are. Oh, sorry. I'm just vlogging. Like, Rianna's mom has been so kind, so generous, you know? Paid for us to be in a lounge. The food was nice.
Nothing less. Princesses.
Nothing less. Especially this princess over here.
And this princess over here.
How did I know you were gonna do that?
We all know that, girl.
But yeah, no, we came like in time. Like, we came here at 5 and it's like what, 8 now? Like, it's so much time and it's gone by so quick. So I bet the flight will go. Oh yeah.
In the lounge.
Basically, what was I gonna say? Oh yeah, I had some meatballs, I had some spaghetti, I don't know what it was mixed with. I had a couple of other things. Yeah, what do you have?
I had Singapore noodles, I had cheesy baked potatoes, I had a glass of wine, which was complimentary. I had, what else did we have? I had a little salad plate. It was just cute, vegan meatballs and
those meatballs
rice. No, they were good, weren't they good?
They were really good, yeah. Do you know what it said spice? Wait, it said what, chili? And I was like, it's like vegan. That was not chili.
No.
That was not chili.
Chili where? Chili cold. Not chili hot. I'm telling you.
But yeah, I don't know if I'd like to go to board, but
yeah, we're gonna have to shift, guys.
See you when we get there. Adios. Please say that again. What did you?
We don't want no one to be encrypting on our phone. And yeah, we meant it. Encrypting. That was no mistake.
That is a new one for me. I'm gonna have to like adopt that and start using that.
We actually got through security, surprisingly.
That was long.
Yeah.
Oh, so long. But we're here, baby.
We out here. We're out here.
Yeah. Rianna.
I get bursts of energy, but then they quickly.
Hey guys, we in Bali. And guys, say hi to, wait, I'm in the light.
This is our first friend.
This is our first friend. This is
Hello,
Duckling.
I'm Duckling.
Yeah. Make sure you guys, like, when you come to Bali, make sure you follow him. I'll put his contact details in the description.
Yep.
And you contact him. Ramada. Well, you can't really see here. So, like, he's so cool.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Thank you, Duckling.
18 hours of flying in the air to come to this, bro. I might have to like show you guys this in the morning because, bro, no, let me there's cases everywhere, so I can't. Look at the bathroom. Look at the freaking bathroom. I might have to do a proper hotel review, but literally look at the balcony. Look at the freaking balcony.
Nah, Esther. Are you actually being for real? Because your girl is pinch me, literally.
Pinch me.
Oh, sweetie. Just chill here.
This is crazy. Good morning. Good morning. My hair is already like getting humid at the back. The top is fine, but I'm getting really hot as well. Really hot. But this place is really nice.
Yes.
I'm here with.
This is our first day.
First day.
First day. In
And
paradise.
maybe we're gonna get
We'll
to.
do it tonight.
When we get. Oh yeah, tonight.
When we
Yeah.
dress up,
We'll do it
we'll give
tonight.
you all of it.
Yeah.
But we'll give you a little flash now. Just
See
simple
my thing.
things.
I haven't even on my toes. But yeah, that's it. This is.
We are so excited.
Like, honestly, I can't contain my excitement. This is like Bali day one.
Lobby.
And
Let's show you the lobby.
okay, sure. I don't want to get people in it. I don't want to get people in it. Oh, that's cute. This is the lobby. Look how cute this is. This is where everyone is eating food. It's very picturesque vibes. Guys, we're going to Kynd Community Cafe. Yep. And we're going to Queen's Beach. So stay tuned. When I say yeah, it's so hot here.
It's so
and
humid.
Yeah.
Where we going?
We're going to Kynd Community Cafe, baby. Oh my god.
Sunbathe, a little spot of sunbathe.
Hi. So what was that you were saying? You gotta
Sunbathe a little, because look at my legs, Esther. It's
They don't
giving
look
I have
back.
been in England for too long.
Way too long.
Yes.
we're going to this place called Kynd Community Cafe, and we're going to Kynd's Beach Club. I'm sure people that have been Bali know about Kynd's Beach Club. But yeah,
We had to go to the classics first.
Yeah, first and then work our way up.
Yeah.
But yeah, can't wait.
Yeah, and then tell them about tonight.
Oh yeah, and then tonight we're going to this it's called a restaurant called Cecil overlooking the beach. Listen, today's about to be it. Listen, I've been craving seafood for time.
Me and Esther are fangirls for seafood, by the way.
Like for time. So today I'm gonna go in.
And me and Esther, well, I'm thinking octopus. I don't know what, Esther hasn't really seen the menu.
You were saying you're picking octopus.
I'm gonna have some octopus. Esther, what are you
I don't
doing?
even know what I'm gonna have. I think I need to like.
There's shrimp,
have a
prawn,
look.
local fish.
I don't know. I'll see.
Esther has to see the menu.
I'll see. Yeah,
She's
I
gonna
need to see
lose
the
her
menu,
head.
and then I'll be like, I don't know what to have. But yeah, I can't wait.
And then we're gonna go to Shishi.
Oh yeah, there's a place called Shishi where it's kind of like a restaurant nightclub. It turns into a nightclub, I think, at night. But the food menu we saw on TikTok. That's why we're going there. But yeah, that's how we're ending our night. Guys, this acai bowl is so filling. This is nice as well.
Nothing too special. Oh, that's our cocktail. So hot, guys.
Hey guys.
Hey guys.
We're at Kynd's Beach right now,
That's
and
the type of
oh
cocktails
my
you got.
god. So I got a mojito, and then I also got a strawberry rum.
That looks
cola.
so good,
Let me
man.
taste it.
What's it saying? Mix
Wait,
it.
let me mix it.
We'll try again. We'll try again.
Right. Ooh, that's strong. Do you want to try it?
Do you want to try this one? And a dark and stormy, which Esther will try just now and let you know what she thinks.
Ooh, I prefer this one.
Do you?
This one's nice.
I like your rum poncho.
It's not bad. But yeah, guys, this is the view.
We're just relaxing. We had a beautiful, healthy breakfast.
At Kynd Community Cafe. Honestly, guys, me and Rianna had a what did we get? Acai bowl. That's the first time having acai. I've always wanted to have acai bowl. When I say it was so filling, we were like gonna order other things, innit? We're like, oh yeah, we're gonna order this, we're gonna order that. We didn't even. I didn't even finish mine.
No, we just thought it would be like a little small bowl of granola or whatever. We were like, yeah, we're ready to get some bacon or some proper breakfast.
Listen,
Girl, when the lady came back round again, she was like, do you want any more? Me
We're
and
like,
Esther
no.
were like, me and Esther couldn't even speak properly for like 20
my
minutes.
stomach felt like I had
gone now,
eaten for two.
Yeah.
gone.
Yeah, because we had like shorts and things like that on, and we
Yeah.
took them off when we were in the pool now. We're just like, we got there. We got there in the end.
Yeah, it's nice to chill out. After an 18-hour flight, this is exactly what we need. So
This is exactly why we did it.
cheers, guys.
I want to come back here in the night, like to a beach club like this at night.
The vibe. Yeah, we
so
should.
we can go in the pool at night when there's like a DJ and stuff.
Yeah, that was. Let me do the back.
It's fine.
What? Oh yeah. Cheers.
Sorry everyone in England right now.
I said sorry.
Really sorry everyone in England that we're doing this to you, but
I don't miss England. I actually don't. So
no.
yeah.
And if you don't want to be there, leave.
Leave. Catch a flight. Catch an 18-hour flight. Yeah, no, that 18-hour flight was not it, but it's worth it when you get here. So when I say this has been the most refreshing experience, most refreshing afternoon at Kynd Beach Club. If you come here, guys, if you come to Bali, make sure you come here because that was so refreshing.
Esther, tell them what it's like when you walk in.
It's like,
That's where you get like a little locker key.
yeah, you gotta look at it to put your stuff
Like
in.
50,000.
Yeah, and then they have like a gift shop as well when you walk in. They have like an archway thingy down there when you walk in, and when you walk in, it's like something out of a, you know, like stuff that you see in
It's giving
movies.
treehouse.
Yeah, like boho vibe type stuff, tropical vibe with like a beach club, water. They have like pools, little mini pools around. They have a bar. They have like, you know, the bars that have like the seats inside the pool. They have that. Oh. And then they have the beach. They have the actual beach
Tired from swimming.
overlooking. No, that was so refreshing. After an 18-hour flight, that was so refreshing.
We're about to head back to our hotel now and have a little dip in like our hotel.
Yeah, our hotel pool with the
Which
views.
we'll show you.
With the, it's a vibe. But yeah, nah, this was really nice. It was really nice. So I'd recommend you guys definitely coming here.
Kynd's Beach Club.
Kynd's Beach
Number
Club.
one.
It,
We did it on our
it
first
basically
day.
says #1 best beach club.
And
Yeah.
also drinks for maybe like
£135.
£6-7. Like not.
I'm
not
trying
too
to
expensive.
get
About £6.
get on job with what's it called, the currency. But yeah, 135. That's about £6 or £7,
It's
something like that. Yeah. So yeah, it's actually not
Very
bad, guys.
clean, very friendly.
So
All staff
clean.
could not be more hospitable.
Yeah, even the toilets as well. Because usually when you go to beach places, the toilets are disgusting, but the toilets here
Time for swimming.
really good. No, that feels like
Me and Esther, we were just kicking our legs on the side of the pool. Infinity pool.
yes. Overlooking the beach. They also have VIP beach. What are they called?
Which watch this space because
Watch this space in a couple of days. You'll see us there. What are they called? Beach chairs. Cabanas, chairs. Depending on your group size, those look really nice. You can order shisha. You can order drinks.
your girls are gonna do. We're gonna be doing. Obviously.
Yeah. So yeah, guys, definitely come here. It's a vibe.
Oh.
But yeah, right now we're off to our hotel, and then after that we're going to Sea Salt, which is a restaurant that overlooks the beach. You're gonna see anyways because is he? Oh.
You sleeping? You better wake up. You better wake up.
You better wake
Are
up.
you sleeping? Are you sleeping? You better wake up. You better wake up.
Hey guys, so we got this. They're called potato beef. They're grilled seaweed crisps. We're about to do a taste test. Rip it down. Oh, okay. Done it. Have you tried seaweed crisps before? I have, but not mixed. I've tried seaweed fish, but done seaweed on its own. But these, let's see, not bad. Yeah. Really? Hey guys, so basically we are exhausted. No, like we are so tired. I feel like all the energy has been sucked out of me, and somebody said, yeah, go, now you can go and have your fun. Yeah. That's exactly how I feel right now. Yeah. And we came back from Finn's Beach Club. We didn't even rest. We went straight to shower, got ready, we're ready now.
And now we're starting to flag.
Yeah, like proper flag.
Yeah, but we've still got dinner booked, guys.
Yeah, we're going to Sea Salt. Yeah. So looking forward to that because I am hungry. But I wish I could get a Duracell battery and just put it in my bag.
The idea of that right now is just so
nah, the jet lag is like real, I can't lie.
It's kicking.
Jet lag, and then also, what's the time in the UK? It's like midday. It's 8 p.m. right, no, 7 p.m. right now. We're like 7 hours ahead. It's just
someone's swimming in the pool.
It's too. Let's see. I wish I could see it. See that?
I mean, that looks quite fun, but
it does, but But yeah, it's like 8 p.m. and like we literally trying to like get with the times, and I think our body is definitely thinking, what the hell? Like it's midday. We're doing a lot. When we had breakfast at Kynd Community Cafe, it was what time? Midnight, right?
Midnight.
Yeah. Wait, it was midnight. Yeah, that our body's like, what the hell is going on? So I feel like that's what we're struggling with a bit, but it's fine. Hopefully, like in a few days, like we look at you, Rianna, yawning. I'm gonna start yawning because she's just yawning.
Okay.
But yeah, no, I feel like hopefully, maybe in a few days' time, probably by your birthday. Hopefully.
We hope. Yeah. We hope.
But when we get back, we're gonna like actually rest. Because tomorrow we have to wake up early. We're going to like see like 3 waterfalls.
Yeah.
So we definitely
really want
need
our
rest.
energy for that.
Yeah. And then maybe after that we're going for like a facial and getting a pedicure. So that's gonna be great. I'm looking forward to that facial. And then after that we're gonna rest. We're gonna fit in rest breaks in between. But yeah, that's just how I'm feeling right now.
Lurusnya Pak, lurusin dia kanan.
I feel so overwhelmed. I don't know about you.
The settings is just
Like the settings are just insane. We're literally sitting at this place called Sea Salt. We had octopus, as in the most amazing thing ever, and we're overlooking the beach. Like, we're overlooking the beach. There's a fire burning over there. I don't understand, honestly, guys, because it's at night. You can't really see the beauty. The camera's not capturing it, but
if you were here right now, you'd be blown away.
speechless.
And that's all we can say.
I'm speechless. Let me just turn it round.
Ali. Really?
It's a rule. Of
Really?
Yeah.
Why is that?
Because a lot of like a temple
Yeah.
built in 4 towns,
Yeah.
and we cannot build a house or something more than
Ah.
coconut tree.
Coconut tree.
It's forbidden. Like,
It's like security is very tight.
yeah.
Why?
Because there was a bank.
There
was a what?
Oh, bang.
Yeah. To pray is inside there.
Yeah.
In here, they prepare everything. Seems like in the
Yeah.
Sure, if
It's a private.
yeah. Oh my gosh.
Okay. Do you have somebody that will lead? Do you have like someone that talks at the front?
yeah,
Like priest.
like
Like priest.
yeah.
A snake.
Yeah, this is use rice here too.
Mm-hmm.
Wait, when you say snake, do you mean actual snake?
Snacks.
Oh, snap.
Snacks.
Snacks. Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
For the god.
Yeah.
Okay.
Wow.
They decide the waterfall where you want to go.
Oh, is it closed? Okay.
Yeah, after this waterfall is closed. Yep. Near here, then going up there. Maybe I will call my uncle to get a Durian maybe.
Oh my days.
Oh my god, man.
This is
Tegenungan.
insane.
Tegenungan, yes.
No.
Not like this.
No waterfalls.
Niagara waterfall is
No, that's
Niagara, that's in
no, that's not England. That's Canada. Yeah.
But it's big. It's nice waterfall though, but we don't have like that.
Not like this.
It's very small.
Wow. Ooh.
Yeah, this is it. As far as this is it.
see why Hendra works 7 days a week.
You sure you don't want to come to London to work?
Yeah, maybe
Maybe one
try.
day.
Yeah, try for 1 week maybe first.
Yeah, just
1 week and then you're gonna be gone. Wow.
We can,
What is this?
What is this?
like,
Sorry,
so
Hendra.
I already called my uncle to get the durian. After the Tibumana, we pass.
But you can't change your mind after. We want to stay.
You're gonna come back and be like, no, I want to go back to my home.
Yeah, you will miss Bali, believe me. This is paradise.
It is.
Mantap.
Mantap is good.
It's good. Mantap.
Okay, put one.
Oh.
Keep your hand.
Looks like a theater.
And then
Oh my god.
Oh.
good.
What's this one, Hendra? What's this one?
The name?
Yeah.
Tibumana.
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 Cebu. There's
Still
more.
a lot of, yeah, more.
I bet there is. Alright. Of course I did. What choice did I have?
I don't remember walking over that.
Yeah, there's two. There's another
I was so
one.
excited. Look at the butterflies. Esther, I don't want to go home.
Oh my god. Sheesh. Oh my gosh.
This is what we're talking about?
What?
Oh wow.
Oh wow.
Esther! Give it a baby one.
Everyone, yes.
Yeah. Oh my days. Crazy. Oh, sweetie. Oh. No, don't.
Oh wow, it's cold.
Is it cold?
Wow, boo, wow. I'm gonna go in.
Guys, look at this view, man. You can see behind me. This is insane. Like, what the hell? Okay, no. Cheers. Rianna, I am mind blown right now. God, God is good all the time.
Take your time. Stand where I'm standing right now with my this leg.
This leg.
Yeah, stand here.
Ooh.
Right there. Yeah. Got it?
Guys, look at us. We're in the water.
Let's take a pic.
We're in the water.
We are in the water.
Okay, we're gonna take a picture.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that back. Look at the back. Look at that. There's another little waterfall there.
There is.
See it? Guys, this place is amazing. Like, I feel speechless. How do you feel?
Oh, incredible. Like, we should have been doing this a long time ago.
A long freaking time ago. This is
That's what we feel like.
This is more up my street. Like, being in nature and all of this.
Yeah, this is serious.
I'm just like so overwhelmed today.
We're
like,
grateful.
Overwhelmed, grateful.
Very grateful.
And bear in mind, we're functioning on, let's just say 0 hours sleep at this point.
Yeah.
But I just feel rejuvenated, like, just by being here.
It's so good for the soul.
No, it really is.
It's really good for the soul.
No, it really is. Like,
let's take some selfies.
place is beautiful.
Yes, very beautiful.
Very beautiful.
Do you like it here?
Yes.
Yeah.
Working here.
This must be your dream job.
Oh,
Thank you.
so nice.
How's your energy?
I'm on 10, baby. Hey guys, so I'm going to show you, this is basically the first hotel we stayed at. This is like the view from the balcony to the rooms. How amazing is this view? Anyways, so walk like this, like so, like so, like that, and then this is our room number, but we ain't gonna be here no more by that time, so do that. Open up. Let's turn on the lights. Let's turn on all the lights. First on the right, excuse me because I look, let's not even go there. But yeah, towel on the floor. This is the shower. It's quite spacious, and this is the bathroom.
That's the show.
Little snappy. Oh, they have a blow dryer. I just noticed that now. Oh, toilet. But yeah, this looks amazing. And then also when you walk through the door, there's a little mini kitchen. How nice is this? Guys, this is actually a full kitchen, like with cupboards, You can like get your little grocery shopping, little what's it called? Little teacups. I didn't even open this, you know.
I think I just have a shower.
Oh my god, they've got pots. How am I only seeing this now? They have a little stove here, little oven. Guys, I can't lie, like we haven't used this because I'm only seeing this now. I know like they had a whole kitchen set and then they have a big fridge, like, you know, and the fridge is obviously empty. That's ours. That's nice. And then to your right is a big, look how big this mirror is, guys. One thing I like here when I go to a hotel, yeah, I like a full length mirror. This is like big enough for 2 people. I could, actually 3 people, 2, 3 could stand here, do their makeup, you know, all that jazz. But you walk down, there's like these cupboards, little shelf. There's actually a lot of storage in this place. Look at these shelves here, like storage. Excuse the mess, they made our bed. Woohoo! This is the bed. Obviously there's storage there. There's 2. When I say there's a lot of storage in this place, there's a lot. It comes with a safe, like for your valuables, and then like a dressing table, like dressing space. We've got our stuff there, so you know we couldn't actually do it on the day we came because we came at midnight. More storage space. And if I stand here, this is the room. And you walk on by. I don't think, guys, I don't think you're ready for this view. Let me open the curtains. Open the curtains. Woo! Hold on. This is the view. Let's walk. Let me show you guys this. How amazing. Let me start off here actually. So you walk through, like, guys, this space is so big, like it's so spacious. Comes with a drying rack for like if you want to dry any of your clothes, a big sofa, smoking if you smoke, all that jazz. And then let's see if it's how to open this up. To open it. Okay, I've locked it. Open up. Why is it not opening? This thing is not going well. It's not going as I planned. Okay. Guys, look at this view. I'm so sorry. This place is stunning. There's 2 pools. Actually 3, what am I talking about? And then also those little chairs there, they have water underneath them. We were chilling there like yesterday. But yeah guys, this is the hotel. Like waking up to this view every morning is just beautiful. Like, oh! I'm just backing away so you can see. That's it, guys. So today is day 2 and I feel like I've conquered one of my fears. Like right now we just got back from a marine collagen facial and I also had a pedicure. The facial was like divine. Like that was my first time actually having a proper facial. I almost fell asleep. I literally almost fell asleep. Like if you are in where am I? In Seminyak. No, I think it's in Qatar. I can't remember, but I'll put the details down. There's a place, a spa called Bodyworks. The most beautiful spa like I've ever seen. I had a marine collagen and something facial. And then I also had a pedicure. Then obviously after that, we were like, we need to probably like try and cut down and gain the cabs because obviously the cabs can get a bit not even a bit. They can get expensive, especially if you're trying to save money. And one of my fears was getting on the scooters. Like if you don't know, like Bali don't have transportation in terms of like bus services. They don't have trains or nothing like that, so they rely on like cabs, and there's these things called like, they're like mini like scooters, basically motorcycles. And honestly, I said to Rianna, I said, I'm not getting on those. Like, it's scary, it's not safe. But then today we were like, looks like we might have to like try and get on them, because boy, if we keep getting these cabs, we're gonna get run out of money real quick. So I literally faced one of my fears and got on them. I was shook. Like, I was so scared. I was like, how am I gonna hold my bag? How am I gonna sit? I was like holding onto his shoulder, and obviously there's like a little thing that you can hold onto at the back. So I got on and I was like, oh my god, I can't believe I'm doing this. My heart was beating, my heart was pounding. And then when I was on it, I was like, oh my god, this is actually so lit. Like, it's so refreshing. The wind was like breezing, like blowing in my air in my face. And also, we got here so quick. Like, it took us like, I think it took us about 15-20 minutes on the cab going there, and then I'm not even gonna lie, I think it took us about 10 minutes coming back here on the scooter. And I'm like, I think some paid something like 50p, which is insane, like just so ridiculous. And I can't believe like I faced one of my fears, and I just feel like this whole trip I'm gonna be like conquering like little fears, like little one fear after another. But I'm so proud of myself that I actually went on that. Also, we went to 2 big waterfalls today. Honestly guys, like, I just feel like I just belong in nature. Like, I just don't belong in London. Like, I don't, this is day 2 and I already want to live here. Like, I want to move here. I just love nature. I love anything that's natural foods, like all of that. And I just feel like here, I just feel at peace. I feel like rejuvenated. I feel energized. Like, I don't know, the atmosphere, the people here are amazing. Like, everyone is so friendly, and they're not doing it because they want to get something out of you. Like, our what's it called, our driver who drove us to like the waterfall, shout out to Hendra, he literally took us to meet his uncle, his sister, like on the way, because he wanted us to try what's it called, it's like the stinky fruit, what's the fruit called? Oh, I've forgotten. Do you know, I'll put it here because I've forgotten the name of the fruit, but it's, the fruit smells like, it really smells, but it tastes so good. It tastes like almost like ice cream, like a dessert. Like, it was so nice. So we tried that. He took us over there, tried it, and I was like, nah. Me and Rianna were like, nah, we have to tip them, because there's no way. Like, this guy like just went above and beyond, showing us around the what's it called, showing us around the waterfalls, and then he even took us to a temple to explain like the religion and the culture and stuff like that. That was not even on the itinerary. Like, he just went above and beyond and done all these little things, and then like he just literally made our day. And if you're in Bali, make sure you book with him, like, and just like support him, because his energy, his vibe, everything was just like amazing. And me and Rianna literally had no sleep last night, so we were thinking, how the hell are we gonna get through this day? How the hell are we gonna do this waterfall tour? Because we had to be up at like, we had to be there at 8, so we had to be up at like 6, and we couldn't sleep because of jet lag, time difference, and just so many other factors. But Hendra made our day today, man. Like, Hendra made our day. I'm just so happy, and I'm just so grateful for just being here, and just like finally being here after so many years of wanting to come here. Like, I'm just so grateful. Like, today has just been an amazing day. And today is our last day in this hotel. It's called Ramada Encore. Today we tried their breakfast, and I was a bit shocked, you know, because usually when I'm thinking of breakfast, I'm thinking eggs, bacon, what else? eggs, bacon, like, you know, like the usual stuff. But they literally had stir-fried rice. They had what are they called? They're like noodles. They're like those seafood noodles. They had that. They had curry. They had proper food. Like, and the food was so delicious. And I was like, wow, maybe we need to like get breakfast again tomorrow before like we check out, because we're checking out tomorrow and we're going to Canggu and we're checking out in a different hotel. That food was so good. Like, the food here is so good. I just can't get over it, man. I just can't. Don't even get me started with sea salt. Yesterday we went to a restaurant called Sea Salt. The restaurant overlooking the sea. I could hear the waves on the beach. And the food, we had octopus and something. I might have to find the menu to actually tell you guys what I really had, because that food was so good. Like, I feel so overwhelmed, and we've got how many days? We've got like 12 days to go. We're here for 2 weeks, and I just feel so grateful and so overwhelmed. This place is just, yeah. I am overwhelmed. I'm just like praying that everything just keeps getting better and better and better, because with the way it's going, yeah, I might not come back. I might just move out here. And if I come back, that means that if I go back to London, that means that I'm planning on coming back here, because this place, I would love to live here, man. I love to live here. If I was to pick like any country like to move to, this Bali would be it. Like, just would be it. But anyways, me and Rianna, we're about to like order room service for the first time. We're just gonna see like what they have, order that, and then just chill, do some face masks, just some relaxing stuff. I'm gonna be an Indonesian resident very, very soon. I'm gonna be moving to Indonesia, and that's a fact, and I'm not playing. I'm being serious, guys, because day 2 and I'm feeling like this. Sorry. My skin glowing, we got a facial, we got a, ooh.
We're feeling good.
We're feeling good today, baby. So, last night in the hotel. We're gonna be spending it in the hotel, eating McDonald's, room service, all that jazz, and watching a film. Guys, look at this. Look at this McDonald's. We just got McDonald's in Bali. And this is like a little sustainable shopping bag. This is so sick. We're about to try. Ooh, what is this? Matcha! Guys, no. I'm actually gassed for this. I don't even know why I'm screaming, but yeah.